Obviously, it goes without saying that the starting point is extremely important, that you get the starting point right. So if you start in the wrong spot, all the navigations, it doesn't matter whether your navigations are right or wrong. If you don't start in the right spot, everything's going to be wrong. So you have to start, and this is good practice anyway. You have to start at positive 4, negative 5. X is always first, so 4 and negative 5 is here. Did you guys do that? Because you have to make the dot where you start, and then I showed you how to navigate with the little leaps, right? Mm-hmm. And I want you to do that because that's the only way that I can check and see where the error is being made if you're making mistakes. You're going to have to do this on your exit ticket as soon as I'm done going over this. So make sure that you know what to do and ask questions if you're not sure. All right, so they start you off with a reflection right away, and they want you to reflect over the X. So if you do that correctly, if you're going over the X, you're going to wind up at positive 4, positive 5. And double check. Look back and make sure before you go on to the next navigation, am I at 4, 5? And if the answer is yes, then you can move on.
So you want to do like the 6 for that?
No, if you have to do a reflection, if you did, it's okay. If you did, it's okay. A reflection, though, can be sometimes lengthy. Like if you're way down here and you got to go way up to the top of quadrant 1, you don't have to show those leaps. But then when they tell you to go left, right, I would show that. So far, so good. Hopefully, because that's what happens if you make a mistake in the middle of the way or even in the beginning. Everything after that becomes incorrect, and there's no partial credit on it. That's the issue, because I won't know where you made your mistake. All right, then you got to go 7 units down. That I can track. And I wind up here so far, right? All right. Then to the right, 2 units. And that's going to mark my final destination. And if you did it right, 6, negative 2. Okay? I'll try to do all these in different colors on the same coordinate plane. All right, number 3. Does anybody want to come up and do it? All right, Marcus, go ahead. I'll talk you through it. And definitely bring up your sheet.
Which one?
But, well, you know what? The plane itself, I think. Bring it both up. Here, I'll put there. You could, and look, you don't even have to hold it. Put it on the little table. Okay, whatever you need. Green, so we could see it. You're going to start at negative 3, 0. And then step aside so we could see it. Yes or no? Yep, good so far. Negative 3, 0. And then reflect over the X.
How do I do that?
How do you do that? Didn't teach it, did I?
Oh, you just stay there.
You stay there when you're on the X and they tell you to reflect over the X. You have to stay there. You're already at the actual, what they call the line of symmetry, the place where you actually would flip. You stay exactly where you are. Did anybody move after that set of directions? Did anybody do it wrong?
No, I didn't move.
All right, good. All right, so now, and we've just learned that now, if you reflect over the axis and you're on the axis, don't move. Okay. Then move 6 units to the right. Okay. Then move up 2 units. And then reflect over the x-axis again. Now you can move. It's a reflection, so don't leap. I'm doing. See, it takes concentration. You're good. That's it. That's your destination. Now you just got to read the point correctly.
3, negative 2.
3, negative 2 sounds good to me. Good?
Yep.
I made a mistake. 3, negative 2. All right. Go get a candy. That's a lot of work. It's a lot of work for a boy like you. All right, number 4. Uh-oh. Good, Hunt. Give it a shot. I know you weren't here yesterday, but...
Might need papers and all that stuff.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get... So you don't trip over this. All right, ready? -2, 8 is your starting point. Do blue. -2, 8. Step aside so we can see. Yes? All right, ready? Decrease. Now, they're using different wording here, so you got to think. Decrease the y coordinate. Well, what is the y coordinate?
The 8.
Right, decrease the y coordinate by 6. So down 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So far, so good. Ready? Reflect over the y-axis. Then move down 3 units.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, yup. What's your coordinates?
2 and 1. -1.
Read it one more time.
2 and -1.
How many have 2, -1? Well done. That is correct. Go get something in the top drawer. Number 5. I have to do this one in black, I guess, right? Alex, come on up, bud. Starting point's going to be 5, -1.
What about 4?
I thought we just did 4. Yeah, we're up to number 5. All right? 5, -1. Step aside so we can see. It's all in one spot. Busy, huh? Yes? 5, -1? Okay, ready? Reflect over the x. Yep. Then reflect over the y. Step aside. Good. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Where are you?
-5, 1.
I may have -5, 1.
Oh, I just got that one right.
Awesome. You are good. Get a candy top drawer. All right, 2 more, right? Number 6. Who wants to come up and do it? Geneva, come on up. We've got to pick another color. Let me go to the menu. Okay, ready? Purple. It should be purple.
Oh, wait, any color I choose.
Yeah, any color that you choose should be purple, but we'll see. We'll see right away. Here, do a little scratch test. Yep, we're good. I think.
Yeah.
All right, well, here, let me reset it. Just hold on to that one then. No, yellow won't show up. Oh, that's why. I got to set it here. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to try. Good. Okay, ready? -6, -7 is your start. Shadows in the way?
Yeah.
Hold on. All right, let me just check. -6, -7. Make the dot a little, you're good, you're good. All right, ready? Reflect over the X.
Oh, does that have to go to 7?
Let me just see. Yeah, you gotta go 1 up. Okay, step aside so we can see. Should be there. This is why I want you guys to do it when you track it, so you can see maybe where you made your mistake. Then reflect over the Y. Double check, and that's good practice too. After you plant your dot, just double check and make sure that everything lines up. And then they want you to reflect over the X again. Yeah, so actually you have 4 points of a quadrilateral. And that's it, yeah. Yep. And then that's it. What are your coordinates?
6, -7.
Come here, 6, -7. Good. Okay, go get something out of the top drawer. Last one. Who wants to come up? Mr. Tree. Gotta pick a fancy schmancy color for you. I'm gonna have to probably go on. If you go too light, it's not gonna show up. Pick a good one. Go with that guy.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, that neon.
No, that's a nice color. Now wait, let me see if it gets reset when you do that though. Yeah, it resets. Hold on to it. Okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
Start at -5, pause 8. Planet. Looks good. Nice color. Step aside. Okay, -5, pause 8 is good. Okay, ready? Reflect over the X. Looks good. Move 3 units to the right. Okay, then 4 units up. Planet. Where are you?
-2, -4.
I'm at -2, -4. That's a winner. Okay. Hunt, you good?
I got
Bergs, you good? Getting kind of the hang of it? You just have to be careful.